I don't know.
Yeah.
I got scared.
Okay, you did fine.
Okay.
Okay, so I was just curious why you, okay, never mind. Would you give them the last note?
Yes, I would love to give them last note again.
So if you, rather than going knee bend, whap,
Okay.
go stretch up and down, deliver. Okay, let me hold your baton so you don't hurt me. Face me.
Okay.
Hit my hand, 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 hit my hand. See the range?
Yes.
Okay, we're not talking about Holst. I just want you to go, whap. They're going to clap when they think you should. Reach
here?
for it. Yep. You're going to go, boom. Okay? Now, can you put more air behind it? Okay? And not so much knees. Okay? So that time you held yourself still because I said no knees. Okay? Listen to what's going to happen. Hear them respond to the breathing?
Yeah.
Okay, so deeper breath, and I'm showing the column of air necessary to make that sound, not breathe to play in time.
Okay.
Okay? Now the note. Hear the difference in the sound?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Now